Hey guys, it's me, Nightwolf Gaming here, back with another video. In this video, we are playing with Turkey Goblin. And I'm not gonna even say who else is joining us because it's too obvious, isn't it? We're joining with a screaming wolf. If you don't know who that is, then I don't know what's wrong with you. Anyway, today, Turkey Goblin wants to show us how to make a secret base in plain sight in Minecraft. So, let's get straight to it. Turkey, I'm gonna let you go ahead and do it.
First, try to guess where it is. Don't tell them.
What? I'm just following you.
Try to guess where it is, and don't tell them.
Where it is? I think right here.
Okay, so first what you gotta do is
I'm gonna put it right in the corner. Oops, I got the arrow. Right in the corner. Then you go down into your secret base. Should I go in?
Go in? Yeah.
Okay. Inside, you can put whatever you want. So you literally put whatever you want down here.
But then
There's gonna be a lever there already. Then you can shoot in there right in that corner.
fail.
And then that opens.
There.
So as you see, guys,
Crouch.
so even though I'm in the water, it's not, oh, it is hurting me. You gotta crouch here, sorry. Anyway, then there's another secret little room. Then you can go back up. Then there's a little lever that you click right there. Come out. And then you can go back to where you entered, which is right here.
Wait, and one more thing.
Oh yeah, and the way to get into the mine.
Yeah. We're not going to show you the whole
It's self-explanatory. Anyway,
okay.
then this is where you came in, this is where you go out, an elevator, whoop! There's going to be a lever where you search for it, and then boom. And the best thing about these water elevators is that, they don't, like, they're water elevators, but you might think, hey, are you gonna drown? Well, no, you're not, because there's so many air bubbles going around, and it adds up. Anyway, we're gonna teach you how to make only the entrance to it, where you, like, shoot the bow right there.
This. So, this, right there, but I didn't. And then, from behind, it looks like this. And there, and if you see, you can see the arrow poking through. And then, that triggers, this redstone torch, which makes the piston go back and pull a dirt block, or whatever block. It has to be sticky piston, and it doesn't have to be exactly like this. But if the redstone is like that, it will not work. So it has to be like that.
Directed right towards it.
Yep. And then you fall through. And that's it.
That's how you make a secret base in plain sight, everybody. All the credit here goes to Turkey Goblin. Oh, oops, I just destroyed the redstone. And Amtiy for hosting this amazing server. I'll leave the IP address in the description to have your own worlds, factions, and much more. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like, comment down below what Turkey should show us next. See you guys later. Bye! Say bye!
Bye.
Bye! It sounds like you said bye, B. Alright, peace out, guys.